Hello everyone, my name is Ronnie, your realtor.
I'm Shelby Monaghan. I'm the lender.
Fantastic. So we built this partnership between Shelby and I, sold a lot of houses here in Central Florida. We want to bring to you the top 5 things to avoid when buying a home.
Top 5 things to avoid when buying a home. Number 3 on our list brings us to don't lose your dream home. Ronnie,
Fantastic.
Tell me some things that put people in a situation where they might.
Well, right now with the market, the reforms that have happened, the loans, just Florida's booming right now. So much new construction, a lot of resales. It's a hot market right now, and it has been for a couple of years. That means that if you go see a home with me and you're not ready to put in a competitive offer, you might not get it. We want to be strategic. We want to negotiate, get the buyer, my client, what they need. That's my whole job. But sometimes with the market being so hot, we have to go on for little competitive things that we can do. Okay, so a big thing is not to go underneath that and kind of be unrealistic with your offer.
And that goes for a lot of different things. You would
That's right.
say what type of loan program you're going to do, that you tell the seller how quickly you can close.
Closing quickly, that inspection period, the kind of loan, because we know that sometimes, even if it's not all the truth to it, sometimes the seller will prefer a certain kind of loan over another because traditionally those loans require a better credit score that's more secure. Some realtors tell their clients that, but that sometimes isn't even true.
Yeah.
Maybe the FHA is more advantageous for certain different reasons, not just because they have a better credit score.
Absolutely. I mean, you may have a cash offer, and what a lot of people don't realize is while that might be preferred, a lot of times a lender can close in just about as much time, maybe short a week or so. They're going to get inspections also. If you come in with a strong offer at a fair price with a normal loan program, and these are things that are going to put you in a competitive market as opposed to being, $10,000-$20,000 under, or maybe asking for too much from the seller. Maybe
that cash deal, is cash, sure, it's a bit or a little bit below asking price. If we can come in at asking price with competitive concessions with a loan, that might be just as good. Sometimes I advise my listings, clients that do listings, I say, listen guys, some of these loans just as good as cash. Conventional loan with 3% down, it's a pretty competitive loan. FHA loan, even if they have depending on the terms, good loan. VA loan, if the house is newer, doesn't need money repairs, VA loan's fantastic. Yeah. USDA. So we'll talk about these in a later video as well, but put a good offer in.
You don't want to lose your house over maybe offering $5,000 more if that's what it's going to take to get you on that list where you're in the game negotiating with the other people that are in on this house. If you learn later that you lost the dream home over $20 a month and you could have cut out Starbucks and bought that house,
that's right.
That's what you want to avoid.
You want to avoid some of those, and that's why we have a good partnership as well. I can say, Shelby, we got to be competitive. What does the mortgage look like at asking price? What does the mortgage look like $1,000 over asking price, $5,000 over asking price? That way we can kind of make that difference and say, hey, listen, if you're coming in at asking price, it's $2,000 a month, let's say. But if you're coming in $5,000 above asking price, it's $2,010. Is that cool with you? Just $10 more a month, and you have the home of your dreams going above asking price? That's how we can stay competitive together. Okay? The Ronnie and Shelby Show, 5 Things to Avoid when Buying a Home, Episode 3, Don't Lose Your Dream Home, is brought to you by us, Robert Slackfine Homes, Ronnie Perez, Realtor, serving you here in the Central Florida, as well as American Eagle Mortgage with Mr. Shelby Monaghan, who is our top mortgage loan originator, and he's a branch manager. He'll get you the deal that you need, all right? Apply now at GetApprovedEasy.com. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe, join, like, and follow us on Facebook.